she does. Is she drinking it?
No, she's just sniffing it.
Hi, beautiful.
Oh. She looks like she's gonna jump.
I know she does. Come here. Come see the mom. Oh, Daddy, I'm done.
Okay, you kind of got the bigger one down. Let's see how we do on the little one.
Dad!
Dad. Oh, she's good. Look at her. She's way better than the other cat. Oh, Mark.
Oh no, she's gonna fall! She's moving towards us though.
Get her, Mark.
She's shaking.
Honey, that's mean.
No, she's learning. She's gonna be a surfer cat.
Shh.
You didn't make it.
Oh, come here. Come on.
All the way on the pool.
Dad!
She's getting her exercise.
Come here, baby.
She's only a little baby.
Come here. Come here. Oh, squeeze her off a little bit. She don't
looks-
seem too terribly pissed, does she?
Well, that's because she's a tuxedo. Tuxedos like water. Oh,
That was cute. Did you get a picture of it?
I recorded it.